म्हापसा ज्ञानप्रसारक विद्यालयाचो वर्सुकी दीस आणि इनामां वाटप सुवाळो शुक्रारा 8 डिसेंबराक म्हापशेच्या हनुमान नाट्य सभाघरांत जालो। मुखेल सोयरो म्हूण कळंगूट मतदारसंघाचो आमदार मायकल लोबो हाजीर आसलो। पळयात काय देखाव।
Great joy to share the accomplishments and progress of our school community over the past year. Academic excellence. Our students have demonstrated exceptional dedication to their studies, achieving remarkable results in various academic disciplines. The hard work of both students and teachers have contributed to the academic success that we celebrate today. SSC results of board examination April 2023. Dnyanprassarak Vidyalaya secured 100% result this year.
All the proud parents, I can even see some grandmothers sitting over here. They come to see that my son, my daughter, or my granddaughter or grandson is going to be something. Today we have felicitated the top rankers, the cream of the school, like who stood out first, who stood out second, who stood out third. And we have more than 500 students over here who have stood out second class, who have stood out past class, but they have passed 100% result to this prestigious institution. And I am very much confident that the parents who are over here are dreaming big for their kids. They are dreaming that my son, my daughter should become a doctor, should become a teacher, should become a police sub-inspector, should become a nurse. So many dreams are there. Parents start thinking about the child, what my child should become. But I feel that the parents should help the student, I strongly believe in this, to achieve their dreams.
GOA365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, गौतमी गांवकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।